When you think of wood in interior design, the first things that come to mind are likely furniture or perhaps small accents like shelves and picture frames. But there's a truly spectacular form of wooden art that brings the beauty of nature into your space in a way that nothing else can: live edge wood wall sculptures. Live edge wood sculptures aren't just pieces of furniture. They're works of art that celebrate the organic, untamed beauty of wood in its most natural state. The term live edge refers to the way the wood is cut, retaining the rough, natural edges that show the original shape of the tree. These edges, often irregular and jagged, are a hallmark of live edge designs. They can give a piece a sense of authenticity and raw beauty that you simply can't achieve with machine-cut, perfectly smooth edges. Imagine walking into a room and being greeted by a stunning piece of art mounted on the wall. It's not just any sculpture, it's a live edge wood wall sculpture. It features the wild, irregular edges of the wood that flow into the rest of the piece. The grain is visible in all its glory, showcasing the natural patterns and texture that make each piece unique. This is wood in its most organic form, untouched by perfection, allowed to tell its own story. What makes live edge wood wall sculptures so captivating is that they blend the natural world with modern design. The way the piece is finished and arranged can fit perfectly into any kind of room, from rustic cabins to sleek urban apartments. In some sculptures, the natural curves and bends of the wood are left as they are, giving a piece that feels fluid and flowing, almost like it's a living thing. In others, the live edge is paired with more structured, geometric elements, perhaps metal frames or clean lines, to contrast the natural disorder with human order. Live edge wood wall sculptures can be as intricate or as simple as you want them to be. Some pieces feature the full length of a tree trunk, split down the center to create two mirror image halves, each one rich with history and character. These sculptures can span entire walls or be placed as smaller pieces that highlight a section of your home. Whether they're carved with fine details or left raw and rough, live edge sculptures bring the outdoors in, creating a striking focal point in any space. The beauty of live edge wood lies in its natural imperfections. Every knot, every swirl in the grain tells a story. The wood retains its connection to the tree from which it came, grounding the sculpture in nature. Unlike mass-produced pieces, each live edge sculpture is a unique one-of-a-kind creation that speaks to the individuality of both the artist and the tree. The texture, the shape, and the finish, whether smooth and polished or rustic and matte, all come together to create a piece that's as individual as the tree itself. In terms of materials, live edge wood sculptures are often made from hardwoods like walnut, oak, maple, or cherry. These woods not only have striking visual appeal but are also durable and long-lasting. The natural variations in color and texture create a piece that seems to change with the light, giving it new life throughout the day. As the light moves, the grain of the wood might catch the light differently, revealing subtle patterns and highlights that add depth to the piece. These sculptures are also incredibly versatile in how they can be incorporated into your space. A live edge wood wall sculpture can be a statement piece above a fireplace, drawing the eye with its natural grandeur. Alternatively, smaller sculptures can be grouped together to form a stunning wooden art gallery that spans a wall, adding interest and texture to a hallway or living room. In a dining room, a live edge wood piece can serve as a beautiful backdrop for a rustic table setting. They can even bring nature into a workspace, where the calming effect of natural wood can help foster a more productive environment. And of course, live edge wood sculptures have a timeless quality. They're not trends that will fade with the seasons. Wood is a material that ages beautifully. As time passes, the wood may darken, develop more texture, and gain character. If cared for properly, live edge sculptures can last for generations, becoming heirloom pieces that are passed down through the years. For those who enjoy the tactile nature of wood, live edge sculptures offer the added pleasure of touch. The uneven edges, the smooth finish, the grain, they invite interaction. Touching the sculpture feels like connecting with nature itself, feeling the texture of the wood as it's been shaped by the hands of an artisan. This tactile connection is one of the unique pleasures of wooden art. It's not just something to look at, it's something to experience. There's also something deeply soothing about the organic nature of live edge wood sculptures. They bring a sense of calm and warmth to a room, reminding us of the trees that stood tall for decades or centuries before being transformed into these artistic pieces. It's a reminder of the natural world and its timeless beauty, which is a powerful addition to any interior design. The process of creating live edge wood sculptures is itself an art form. Craftsmen and artists seek out the best pieces of wood, often from fallen trees or reclaimed wood, that can be transformed into something both beautiful and meaningful. They carefully select each piece for its unique characteristics, considering factors like the grain, texture, and the natural edge. Then, with a combination of skill, patience, and craftsmanship, the wood is shaped, carved, and finished into a piece of art that highlights the natural beauty of the material. These sculptures can be custom designed to fit a particular space or design vision. If you have a specific idea in mind for how you want the sculpture to look, many artists will collaborate with you to bring that vision to life. Whether you're after a large-scale feature for your living room or a more intimate piece for a private study, a custom live edge sculpture can be tailored to fit perfectly within your environment. As live edge wood wall sculptures continue to gain popularity in interior design, their presence is also helping to raise awareness about sustainable woodworking practices. Many artists and manufacturers source their materials from reclaimed wood, giving new life to materials that might otherwise go to waste. This not only helps preserve natural forests but also adds a sense of history and depth to each piece, as the wood often carries stories from its past life. Incorporating live edge wood sculptures into your home isn't just about beautifying your space, it's about creating a deeper connection with nature. It's about honoring the material, the craftsmanship, and the artistry that transforms raw, natural wood into a stunning work of art. These pieces are more than just decoration, they're a celebration of nature's imperfections, a nod to the incredible beauty found in the organic world. With each piece, you're not just bringing wood into your home, you're bringing a part of the natural world that's as unique and distinct as the individual grains in the wood itself. Live edge wood sculptures make a powerful statement in any room, grounding the space with their raw, earthy charm. The undulating, unrefined edges of the wood tell a story that began long before it was cut and shaped by the hands of a skilled artisan. The natural edges, which are left intact, create a stunning contrast against the smooth, finished surfaces of the piece. It's this combination of smoothness and ruggedness that gives live edge wood sculptures their one-of-a-kind appeal. They hold a quiet elegance, offering a timeless beauty that blends seamlessly with any design style, from modern minimalist to rustic farmhouse to eclectic. The beauty of live edge wood is that each piece is inherently unique. No two sculptures are exactly alike, as every tree, every log, and every cut reveals something new. Whether it's a sprawling wall piece or a small, intimate tabletop sculpture, each live edge wood sculpture adds a touch of organic beauty and timeless craftsmanship to your space. The natural imperfections in the wood, such as knots, cracks, and grain variations, only add to its character, creating an artistic texture that speaks to the natural world. One of the most striking qualities of live edge wood sculptures is how they connect us to the outdoors. In today's fast-paced world, we're often separated from the earth and its natural beauty. Incorporating these sculptures into our homes helps re-establish that connection, bringing the soothing energy of nature into our everyday lives. The warmth and depth of wood can transform a room, infusing it with a calming energy and a feeling of serenity that's hard to achieve with other materials. But beyond their natural beauty, live edge wood sculptures are also a tribute to craftsmanship and artistry. The skill required to transform a rough piece of wood into a work of art is nothing short of extraordinary. Artisans carefully select each piece of wood, working with its unique properties to bring out the best in its form. The process is a delicate balance of respecting the natural qualities of the wood while creating something entirely new, something that will enhance the space in which it's placed. What makes live edge wood sculptures even more special is how versatile they can be. They can be used as statement pieces on the wall, showcasing their organic beauty and adding a focal point to the room. Or they can be smaller, more intimate sculptures that add texture and warmth to coffee tables, bookshelves, or mantels. No matter where they're placed, live edge wood sculptures add a sense of individuality to your space, making it feel more personalized and connected to nature. So, the next time you're looking to add something unique, timeless, and incredibly beautiful to your home, consider live edge wood wall sculptures. These pieces offer more than just aesthetic appeal. They bring with them a sense of history, artistry, and connection to the natural world. With their organic beauty, natural charm, and striking presence, they are sure to elevate any space and create an atmosphere that is both inviting and inspiring. Whether you're decorating a cozy living room, a tranquil bedroom, or a modern office, live edge wood sculptures provide a sense of grounded elegance that can truly transform a space.